Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northern Boone County in north-central Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Love Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois. Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:45 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Rockford to Mendota, moving east at 75 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour and total-size hail. Trained weather spotters. Producing widespread wind damage in north-central Illinois. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, likely. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, including the following Interstate Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Jet Plains, Orland Park, Illinois Park, Oak Lawn, Irwin, and Mount Prospect. Including the following Interstate 123 and mile markers 233 and 294 between mile markers. Interstate 57 between mile markers 303 and 358 mile markers. Interstate 123 and 1 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355.